nice piping hot. You see the steam kind of coming off that? You want some bread? Let's set this one straight. I know a lot of people out there that are watching this. You guys seem to think that all I do is sit around at restaurants all day, drink beer, eat food, and just talk to Jonathan, my video guy. But really what you're seeing is a hack, okay? I drive between 5,000 to 8,000 kilometers a month. I'm on the road all the time. I'm visiting dealers. I'm working with sales team. I'm doing training. I'm doing consulting. I literally travel all the time. What you're seeing is in between our days, or in our day, we have moments where we get to stop and we get to eat. What you're actually seeing is a hack, right? During the times that I get to eat breakfast or lunch, or maybe sometimes even a dinner, what I'm doing is I'm taking that opportunity to create content for you people and eat food at the exact same time. But no, I do not sit at restaurants all day long. We only sit at restaurants for maybe, every other day, possibly for an hour during that day, if that. We shoot the video and then we move on.